Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily create your own vibration on any iPhone. Be sure, friends, put likes under the video, write your comments after viewing, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. So you and I will be getting down to this topic. And, in fact, it is very convenient and interesting that you can create your own vibration, such tactile sensations on the iPhone. In order to do this, open up Settings. Now scroll down, select the Sounds and Tactile Sensation option. Next, go to the Ringtones section for example. Then select Tactile Sensation. And at the bottom, find the option to create a new vibration. And now you will need to tap just on the screen. It's like this. You can do totally different distances. You can customize everything for yourself. And now that you've created your vibration, you can listen to it and feel it by picking up your iPhone. Just click on the bottom left of play. As you can see, this way you'll feel the vibration that you've created. And now to save it, just at the top, just press save. You can name it something. Once you've given it a name, click Save again, and it will be stored in your tactile senses and it will automatically be turned on for you. You can do the same thing when you go to text messages, for example. In the same way, open up the tactile experience and select at the bottom either that you've already created a vibration or create a new vibration. That's the quick method you can easily create your vibration on any iPhone. I really hope you found this video useful. Please don't forget to like, and comment. And also be sure to subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye to you all, friends.